Third round. Pero third round ang labas niyan ngayon. Yan ang mga viewer dito ngayon.
Isahan talaga pa nga ba?
Si Tito po yan. Yan si Mama Bear.
Akala niya kasi lamang na siya. Kaya na-outbalance naman si Manny. Naka-open siya.
Last round.
Here we go, round 3. And Eric Rouse must have heard me because he skipped some water right on me. Let's read the round. We live in the same neighborhood. We also live in
Bilisan na ni Manny yan ba?
the bordering town to Tijuana. We moved about a mile and a half from my parents' house. And you want to know the irony to that? That Marco Antonio Herrera bought a house recently in the same neighborhood. Oh my goodness. So go figure. Here comes Morales trying to work behind his jab.
Michael.
A good body shot from Morales. Beautiful body shot. Probably the best punch of the night from Morales so far. I'll tell you what I found out about Morales. His new training has already made him stronger than I've seen him in quite a while. Oh, man. And I'll tell you what, if he wasn't in such phenomenal shape, he would have been able to take the hard shot that he just took right now.
Niya sa legs.
Marco's legs look a little wobbly. And that was a strong left hand.
Yan. Iba na yan. Yan na.
Oh, gina-body shot yun niya ba?
Morales is not going down to Pacquiao urging him. So let's get ready to do this. He's doing exactly what Manny Pacquiao wants him to do.
Oh, yan! Oh my God!
Ditong ba daw kilo?
Oh, yeah! Woo! Woo! Supal-pal ka to! Hambog! Oh, ano? Go? Again. Nagpalayo na si Bachman, oh? Nanukad. Oh! Oh, what's that?
Bilisan na niya.
Oh! Hindi na siya makahinga. Wala na siyang hangin. Bay, grabe Jude. Labang kalye na ba? Oh! My God! Woo! Grabe! Wala na eh. Oh, grabe. Mag-akap siya. Suntukan pa rin siya. Shit, naigo. Pero wala nang lakas yun. Wala na yung lakas na tatamaan si Pacquiao. Pero wala yun. Oh, 3 rounds lang. Woo! Guys, 3 rounds. Unbelievable. Wala sa hangin, oh. Luya na kayo siya. Oh my God.